Okay, my first meal in the 3-quart Instant Pot Duo Nova. I'm going to make homemade SpaghettiOs. Did you ever hear of such a thing? SpaghettiOs. These are Enatelli number 22. They're little round SpaghettiOs. This is 1 pound. I'm going to only make half of this. I'm sure I could put the whole pound in, but for our meal right now, half is going to be good. There it is. Remember? First meal. I did the water test, which I never did in any other pressure cooker. But I wanted to clean it out, and I figured, what's a better way of cleaning than boiling hot water in there, right? So I did the pressure test for 5 minutes, and it worked great. I also have mini meatballs. You ever have your SpaghettiOs like that? Sometimes it's a treat when you get little meatballs in the can. And just some regular spaghetti sauce, whatever kind you like. And let's open this up. It's going to be so easy. It's going to go for 4 minutes on high pressure. Half a pound. That's half. And this is 14 ounces of meatballs. Mini beef meatballs. Earth's best. Since 1985. Wow. Took that long to find the best meatballs on earth. Here's half of that bag. What a nice lunch. Ooh, yeah. And a whole jar of sauce, which is 24 ounces. Pour that in there. I'm going to put about a cup of water in this sauce jar, shake it up so I don't waste any. Plus we need a little more water for the pressure to build up. Yep. You know? I like to do that. I don't waste any. Stir that up, because the secret to making pasta in a pressure cooker is making sure it's all wet. Okay? Isn't that so simple? Homemade SpaghettiOs. There was a time when I ate a lot of SpaghettiOs and I didn't like them very much. But I haven't had them for many years. A little bit of salt and pepper or oregano, whatever you like to spice up your SpaghettiO meal. Ever thought you'd see that today? Put our fancy musical lid on. Comes back to life. Now I mentioned last night I like the way you set the pressure here. It doesn't have the normal pressure or release. It's more of a push button. You don't bother with that at all. When you want to release the pressure, you just press that. See? And when you want to lock it again into pressure mode, you just turn it like that. Okay, so I'm going to go manual here. We have all these settings, but I'm going to choose manual, which is pressure cook right here. 35 minutes. No. Well, we're on high pressure. I'm going to go 4 minutes. And it's on high pressure. There we go. There's a little icon that says it's heating up. There's like a flame under the pot. And then there's a P for when it's in pressure mode. So it's going to take 5-10 minutes for the pressure to build up, and in that time the pasta is cooking. It's going to be under high pressure for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to let it natural release for about 5 minutes. As much as I want to show you the manual release with the push button because it's cool, I'll show you a little shot of that. But I'm going to let it natural release. And I'm going to have homemade SpaghettiOs. First time ever in my kitchen. Okay. Be back. Down to 1 minute remaining. Can't wait. Hungry. You know that. There it is. Okay. Thank you. Alright, now the pressure's built up in there. And And I wanted to show you this fancy release valve. You know, usually you fumble around with that. Well, here you just push a button. But I'm going to let it release naturally. I just want to show you this little shot here. Watch. See? Isn't that neat? I'm going to close it back up. That's cool, isn't it? All right, let me let that release naturally for 5 minutes. Then it's going to be time to eat. All right, I just heard the pressure valve drop back there. I like how the screen goes off, see? Goes into a standby mode. That's pretty neat. All right, let's open it. Ooh, hear that music? Oh, you ready for this? Homemade SpaghettiOs in a 3-quart Instant Pot with frozen meatballs. Check that out. Homemade SpaghettiOs. Don't look good. Mini meatballs. Ooh. Got a nice glass bowl here. I'm going to put it in. Good job for my first meal. Don't make a mess. Hey, ladle. Got your SpaghettiOs. Oh. That was some chunky sauce. I see pieces of tomato in there, so that's better than canned SpaghettiO. And then there's some left too. And I think I could have used the whole pound. What do you think? Yep. Oh, you know what goes good with that? Bread butter. Do I use a spoon or a fork to taste my homemade SpaghettiOs? All right. The hardest decision I'm going to have today is spoon or fork for my homemade SpaghettiOs. Oh, it's hot. Where's my bowl holder?
Over there. Oops.
My gold bowl holder from Dawn. Ooh, that's perfect. Thanks. All right, look. And it's hot again, too. Let me get a meatball in there, too. Mmm. That's better than canned SpaghettiOs. Tastes like real pasta. Mmm. So look for these little round pasta hoops at your grocery store. Check out the 3-quart Instant Pot Duo Nova. Works great, love it. It's our 15th pressure cooker, I think. Or 17th. Well, I lost count. Anyway, I'm going to finish enjoying these. Try it, you'll like it. Please subscribe. Stop back for more fun stuff. So good. See you.